Tyler took the kayak and we took the Winonas. We took a leisurely paddle and enjoyed the scenery along the way. It felt great to get out and paddle a canoe again. We soon came upon the portage and landed the canoes to have a picnic and have some fun swimming and exploring the river to see what we might find. As Tyler, Ken, and Cassie made their way up the Knife River, Chris found herself a friend, a dragonfly. As Tyler, Ken, and Cassie continued to explore the Knife River, I had a little fun with the GoPro. After we returned to shore, we had our picnic and then had a little fun skipping rocks.